Matter, Nature and Behavior, Class 9th. Entire universe is made up of only two things, matter and energy. Today we will study about matter. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Example, table, chair, iron nail, water, air, etc. Conservation of matter. Let us try to understand this through an example. When we light a candle, it burns down completely after some time. Think what has happened to the components wax and wick of the candle. For a long time, it was believed that they get used up or destroyed in the burning process. Later attempts were made to understand the burning of a candle, and we realized that it is a chemical process where oxygen is also involved along with wax. During the process, carbon dioxide and water vapor are obtained as products. But this was not known till we learned to identify the gases being used or produced in a reaction. When the sum of the masses of all the reactants was determined, it was found to be equal to the sum of the masses of all the products. This was the first time it became clear that the reactants taking part in a chemical reaction are converted into products and not destroyed. We can also understand this law by an activity. Put 10 ml hot milk in a clean injection bottle and put the cap back on the bottle. Take 2 ml lemon juice in an injection syringe. Insert the syringe in the cap of the injection bottle as shown in figure A. Weigh the arrangement. Make sure that there is no contact between the milk and lemon juice. Now press the injection piston slowly so that the lemon juice falls drop by drop into the milk. Observe the changes in the milk in the bottle. Do you think a chemical reaction has taken place here? Now again weigh the entire arrangement and note the weight. Were there any changes in the masses of the apparatus before and after the experiment? Here, the masses of both reactant and product is equal. And matter cannot be destroyed, matter is conserved. In the study of many other chemical reactions, it was again found that the sum of the masses of all reactants is always equal to the sum of the masses of all the products. This understanding was stated in the form of a law. Mass can neither be created nor destroyed during a chemical reaction. This is known as the law of conservation of matter or the law of conservation of mass. The law was formulated by Lavoisier, and Lavoisier is known as father of chemistry. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe our channel Bright Videos.